I've bought and tested these lightweight cricket bats so you don't have to waste your hard-earned money. Whether you're playing in the park or in a competitive match, I've got the scoop on the best options out there to elevate your game.
Product number 1. Nivea Heavy Tennis Ball Cricket Ball, pack of 6. When I first got my hands on the Nivea Heavy Tennis Ball, I was excited to test it out. This pack of 6 hard tennis balls is a game changer for anyone serious about cricket. The rubber material is durable, making it perfect for consistent play. I took these balls to my local park, and the bright yellow color made them easy to spot, even in the grass. What I noticed right away was how well they held up against impact. Unlike some cheaper alternatives, these balls kept their shape and bounce, allowing for a true cricket experience. After several matches, I was impressed. They didn't lose their integrity or performance. Pros: durable rubber construction, excellent visibility, and a great price for a pack of 6. Cons: they might be a bit heavier than what some casual players prefer. Why buy it? If you're looking for reliable tennis balls that can withstand the rigors of hard play, this pack from Nivea is a smart investment.
Product number 2. Neo Golden Burn Edition Cricket Tennis Ball Bat. The Neo Golden Burn Edition caught my eye with its sleek wooden scoop design. Weighing between 900 to 1,050 grams, it felt sturdy yet surprisingly lightweight in hand. This bat is crafted from heavyweight kashmir willow, making it perfect for hard tennis ball cricket. I took it out for a spin in a street match, and the power it generated was impressive. The scoop face design allows for maximum control and power with minimal effort. I found myself easily clearing the boundary with every shot. The cotton grip on the handle was also a nice touch. It felt comfortable, and I noticed a significant reduction in vibration during those hefty hits. Pros: scoop design enhances power, lightweight construction, and comfortable grip. Cons: it might take a bit of getting used to for beginners. Why buy it? If you want a bat that combines power with control, the Neo Golden Burn Edition is a perfect choice.
Product number 3. SS Cricket Premium Cashmere Willow Leather Ball Cricket Bat. When I got my hands on the SS Cricket Premium Cashmere Willow Bat, I immediately appreciated its craftsmanship. The Grade 1 Premium Cashmere Willow felt solid, and the weight was just right for my playing style. The bat's sweet spot was engineered to maximize performance, which I found particularly helpful during my games. I noticed that even off-center hits delivered satisfactory results. This bat has thick edges, which not only adds to its strength, but also provides that satisfying ping when you connect perfectly. Pros: high-quality cashmere willow, thick edges for better performance, and excellent sweet spot. Cons: it might be pricier than some options for entry-level players. Why buy it? If you're serious about your game and need a bat that offers both durability and performance, the SS Cricket Premium Bat is worth every penny. Product number 4. Super Mario Kart Yoshi Bike. The Super Mario Kart Yoshi Bike building toy is a delightful surprise for any young fan of the iconic game. As a huge fan of Mario Kart myself, I couldn't wait to see how my son would react to this set. The first thing that caught our attention was the introduction of the light blue Yoshi figure, which is a rare find in LEGO sets. It immediately sparked excitement and curiosity. The build itself was easy to manage for my 7-year-old, and the colorful pieces made it visually appealing. Once assembled, the Yoshi bike looks impressive and is ready for action. The interactive play element is where this set truly shines. By using LEGO Mario or Luigi figures, kids can trigger sound and visual effects that mimic the game, adding a layer of excitement that traditional LEGO sets often lack. The challenge of driving through traffic cones and launching shells from the bike kept my son engaged for hours. However, it's worth noting that the Mario and Luigi figures aren't included in the set, which might be a downside if you're looking for a complete package. Overall, if your child is a Super Mario fan, this set is a fantastic gift that encourages imaginative play and interactive fun. The blend of building and gaming elements makes it a unique addition to any LEGO collection, and the excitement it brings is truly worth it. Product number 5. Cricket Tennis Bat SGT1400. I was pleasantly surprised when I got my hands on the SGT1400. This bat is crafted from high-quality English willow, which is known for its strength and durability. Weighing in at a lightweight design, it felt very agile, making it perfect for quick reflex shots. The hard-pressed construction allowed for superb stroke play, and I found that my shots had an impressive amount of power behind them.
The multicolor design added a nice aesthetic touch, making it stand out on the field. Pros: lightweight, durable English willow construction, excellent for power shots. Cons: some might prefer a more traditional look. Why buy it? If you're after a lightweight bat that doesn't compromise on performance, the SGT 1400 is an exceptional option.